Well, in the end, smart cities have to make cities a better place to live. So it's about quality of living for the inhabitants.
More and more people will live in larger cities, but not also in larger cities. Also in smaller villages or smaller cities, living conditions will change, and the coexistence and the secure life will be the biggest advantage or the biggest benefit of a smart city.
So out of my view, the most important benefit out of a smart city will be the improvement of life quality for the citizen. And here are the areas mobility. It will be environment. For environment, I see air quality and water. Also waste management will be an area. Safety will be an area, and city administration.
From our perspective, we developed now a patented technology for so that you can use the street lights not only for lighting but also for all the other necessary solutions in a smart city. Therefore, generally speaking, I think the technologies such as ours that can be used for multi-purpose like your smartphones, not only from one purpose but also can be reused for multiple solutions, will be the future.
Well, the differentiating technologies that come on top of all the other technologies that we're using in cities are information and communication technologies on one side, and all types of sensors that we will see more and more in the cities providing information that can be used through a more open information and communication infrastructure than we have today.
From our point of view, there are two challenges or two technologies which are the most relevant. High-speed internet and high-speed infrastructure on the one hand, on the other hand, Internet of Things platform. We will see an enormous number of things and data, so we need digital infrastructure supporting the different requirements of things in the future. And an Internet of Things platform should be open and interoperable, because we want to open it up. We don't want to produce in silos. We want to produce in platforms. And so we have a small picture for that. Digital living in a city should change from silos, from spaghetti to platforms to lasagna.
For us, it is important that the city have an independent and open data platform, yeah. And we set everything for FiWare. FiWare is initiated by the EU initiative Horizon 2020, and it's a vertical solution which you can combine, collect the data you already have, and also silos like you already have, like public transports and things like this, and bring them together to one portal. The other thing is the infrastructure for communication. Yeah, the 5G networks we and other telcos are already developing. Yeah, and with these new technologies, and in case of the capacity and also the latency, they're completely new use cases which we will see in the future. Yeah, automated driving, also in the smart health sector. Yeah? And the first step on this way will also be narrowband IoT, where you have a low power wide area network, yeah, very shortly in the near future.
For smart cities, the relevant technologies are communication together with security in the communication. And also sensors are needed and embedded microcontroller. And at the end of the day, the combination out of the sensors connected via communication to the cloud or to the internet is, the end of the day, Internet of Things.